Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Update. We're having a red day in the crypto markets today. We're currently having a green week. We saw a huge pump in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin rallied to as high as 26,500. Right now, Bitcoin is currently trading around $25,000. In this video, we'll be taking a look at news stories happening in the crypto world. Where is the crypto market heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? The altcoin market is currently at $364 billion. We've set a new lower high. Are we going to start dumping to Goblin Town anytime soon? Bitcoin dominance in the market is increasing. Bitcoin dominance around 45%. We'll also be taking a look at other news happening in the crypto world and liquidations, which has totaled more than $222 million. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bitcoin is currently trading around $25,000. Bitcoin got to as low as $15,500 in this bear market, but I've been rallying. Bitcoin has gone up by more than 60%, rallying up from $15,500, getting to as high as $26,500. The altcoin market saw a huge pump earlier in the week, but right now we have a red day and we might easily start dumping to Goblin Town. The consensus in the market is that maybe, just maybe, the bear market rally is finally over. Credit crunch means it's time to buy gold and Bitcoin. That's what Novagards is saying. The Galaxy Digital CEO predicts tough times ahead for United States economy, but continues to be bullish on crypto. US Justice Department announced charges in connection with Shiba mixer takedown. A resident of Whole New Vietnam has been charged in Philadelphia with a number of offenses as the operator of the chip mixer. An Ethereum price reaches low level relative to Bitcoin in 5 months. Traders question whether the underperformance is due to Chappelle hard fork, while the relative data indicates that Ethereum buyers lack conviction. Crypto acts as safe haven amidst SVB and Signature Bank run. Cathie Wood says the ongoing banking crisis is a total Fed policy failure and could have been averted with crypto decentralized solution. If you take a look at the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, currently trading around $1,666. We saw Ethereum rally to as high as $1,791, the highest price we have seen for Ethereum since August of 2022. But right now, it looks as if that was just a false pump to the upside. It looks as if we are gearing up to start dumping to Goblin Town. Ethereum is currently dumping against Bitcoin. When will Ethereum start dumping against the US dollar? If you take a look at the altcoin market, we rose to as high as $406 billion in February of 2019. Before then, we rose to $400 billion in November of 2020. But right now, after we have had that pump to the upside in the last 3 days, we couldn't cross above $400 billion, and altcoins might just be ready to dump to Goblin Town, because we might see the altcoin market go down by more than 20% in the coming days and the coming months, probably even setting new lows in this bear market. Be careful out there, guys. Other news happening in the crypto world: the FDIC regulators have reportedly required any buyer of Signature to agree to give up all cryptocurrency businesses at the bank. Euler hackers similarly take their chances, send funds to Crypto Mixer. Before the move, the hacker apparently refunded at least one victim, leading to a slew of on-chain messages from other reported victims. Sam Bankman-Fried petitions court to prioritize reimbursing his legal fees. FTX legal counsel requested insurers to advance or reimburse Sam Bankman-Fried's defense costs and fees under the company's director and officers' insurance. Swiss National Bank says to support Credit Suisse if necessary. Swiss regulators reaffirmed the soundness of Swiss financial system following recent concerns about Credit Suisse. The Swiss National Bank and the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority released a joint statement on March 15th on the stability of the Swiss banking system and Credit Suisse. The problem of certain banks in the US do not pose a risk for the Swiss financial system, they wrote. And Uniswap launches on BNB chain ecosystem to drive growth and liquidity. After receiving the support of the significant majority of voters in February, Uniswap version 3 is now operational on the BNB chain. And Bitcoin dominance is steadily increasing in the market. We talked about Bitcoin dominance in the last few days. We have seen Bitcoin dominance since September gradually increase from 38%. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 45.91%. This is the highest we have seen Bitcoin dominance go since 12th of June 2022. Right now, we're still waiting for Bitcoin dominance to tell us whether we're going to be breaking above 48% or will Bitcoin dominance be dumping back to gobbling town. And Altcoin season index is telling us we are in Bitcoin month. Bitcoin is currently outperforming the top 50 cryptocurrencies over the last month. And we might stay in Bitcoin month for a while. There's a lot of fraud in the cryptocurrency market, but the Altcoin season index is telling us if you want to be loading up on altcoins, now is your chance. Now is the time to start accumulating well if you are getting ready for the next crypto bull run. Coinbase met with Australian banking regulators over local crypto regulations. Coinbase Vice President of International Policy told Cointelegraph the meeting took place in Caribbean and Sydney and touched on government token mappings efforts. And SBF Inner Cycle received $3.2 billion mainly for Alameda. Billions worth of loans and payments flows from FTX entity to Sam Beckman-Fried and 5 other former executives of FTX and Alameda Research. The Federal Reserve confirms July launch for FedNow instant payment services. The FedNow service aims to reduce the gap in payments time between the United States and financial institutions. Crypto firms may turn to shadow banks following major collapse. Speaking at SXSW conference in Austin, Molly White compared crypto companies' current predicament to those in 2017 and 2018 when they had trouble accessing banking. But hopefully in the coming days and the coming weeks, solution will be found to that. Salesforce Web3 to help brands build trust and scalable NFTs program. The platform promised to help companies create, manage, and deploy non-fungible tokens in a trusted, scalable, and sustainable way. If we take a look at the total crypto market cap, currently over $1 billion. We saw the total crypto market cap go to the highest point we have seen it gone since August of 2022, getting to as high as $1.12 trillion. We have seen the total crypto market cap drop to as low as $880 billion. How low are we going to go if we start dumping to gobbling town? A lot of signs in the altcoin market is pointing us to still have one final leg to the downside. Bitcoin might have found its bottom. Total crypto market cap might have found its bottom at the $729 billion region. But altcoins might still dump to gobbling town. So if we see altcoins dumping to gobbling town and Bitcoin not dumping with them, we might see altcoins having a bloodbath. We might see Bitcoin holding strong, and that in turn might increase the Bitcoin dominance in the market. But guys, it's not all doom and gloom. There's always a possibility that we're going to pump above the $1.179 trillion level we got to in August of 2022. So watch out what the market will be doing in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Even though we're seeing a lot of pumps, there's a lot of volatility right now in the market. A lot of people are getting liquidated front, left, and center. In the last 24 hours, liquidations has increased. Liquidations have totaled more than $213 million. The largest liquidation happened on Bitcoin. One trader was liquidated while trading Bitcoin, valued at $2.43 million. And Bitcoin accounts for majority of the $230 million that were liquidated from more than 73,000 traders. Bitcoin accounted for $74 million, Ethereum $42 million, and the rest were made up of altcoins liquidation. The top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours as follows. In the gainer section, we have GMT, Magic, BNB, Pax Gold, and SDC. And the loser section, we have Stacks, Conflux, Lido DAO, Filecoin, and Maker. All of them have huge double-digit losses in the last 24 hours. The Crypto Unicorn Index is telling us we have 52 projects with a market cap of over $1 billion. We saw more than 135 projects having a market cap of more than $1 billion. At the top of the bull market, right now, as we're dumping to gobbling town, we only have 52 projects. And the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization is still unchanged in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin, the king of the market, currently up more than 14% in the last 7 days, still at number 1. Ethereum is up 8% in the last 7 days. BNB is up 10%. Cardano, Matic, and XRP have not made any huge leaps in the last 7 days. XRP is down 7.81%. Dogecoin and Binance USD makes up the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. And other news happening still in the crypto world. form function to shut down marketplace amid Solana NFT slump. The platform didn't disclose the reason for its closure, but Solana NFTs haven't been having the best run lately. Cycle clears substantially all minting and redemption backlog for USDC. The stablecoin issuer said that from March 13th and March 15th, it redeemed $3.8 billion USDC and minted $0.8 billion USDC. 1 year after $11 million Lunar Classic bet, the coin wanted, funds paid, and hedged stock on FTX. Terra Luna co-founder Dequan lost $11 million in 2 bets, is currently wanted by Interpol and reportedly hiding in Siberia. Interesting to see. OpenAI co-founders Wall ID project launches along SDK waitlist. The new IDs will allow users to prove they are unique humans without revealing personal information on the website. And Gensler suggests taking token operations should seek to come into compliance. The SEC head was speaking impromptu to reporters after commissioning a meeting when he asked about a statement made by the CFTC chairman. And sentiment in the market is showing us we're still neutral. We're waiting for Bitcoin to show us the way. There's a lot of fraud in the market. Where are we heading to in the coming weeks and the coming months? Are we going to be dumping to Goblin Town, or are we going to be pumping to the moon? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you see Bitcoin heading towards $28,000 anytime soon, or will Bitcoin be heading to sub $20,000? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.